Hi everyone, and welcome to this talk from Into Science UK. My name is Neda. I work as a regional program officer for the charity, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the work that we do and about our summer program called Into Science that you can get involved with. Our mission as an organization is to get young people like yourselves in year 12 or equivalent across the UK to progress towards STEM opportunities and STEM degrees in higher education. And what STEM stands for is science, technology, engineering, and maths. So if you're interested in any of these subjects, please stay on and let me tell you all about our summer program. So first of all, I'd like to share with you why does the Into Science program exist at all. We want to get more young people, first of all, into exploring opportunities in STEM. Currently in the UK, there's a big shortfall of STEM skilled workers. And the number of STEM jobs available in the future are actually expected to increase. And the truth is that STEM jobs and STEM skills are in high demand, and that means that they're actually excellent options for graduates and for young people like yourselves in the UK. So every STEM background, irrespective of the specific subject that you study, will teach you how to think critically, to engage with scientific literature, how to work in a team, how to communicate. And these, plus your subject-specific skills, actually will make you, as a STEM graduate, enter the job market with a competitive advantage. And what competitive advantage means is that STEM graduates can access interesting workplaces, can access good salaries, and will most likely be more likely to find a good job compared to non-STEM workers. The second reason why the Into Science summer program exists is because we want to help create a more diverse workforce. And this means involving young people from different backgrounds, from different ages, from different abilities in STEM opportunities. This means that it allows for many different perspectives to be considered in STEM work and in STEM research. And this is very important so it can make the STEM sector more representative and more considerate of the whole UK population. Finally, getting more young people into STEM helps increase the science literacy of society. And we all know that we live in a very technological age. There's tons of information available everywhere. And young people, and every person really, needs the tools to communicate effectively, to assess complex information, to distinguish fact from fiction. So by studying STEM, you can actually get a lot of skills such as critical thinking and problem solving that will help you make your own mind, make your own decision, be able to analyze the news and complex situation, and feel confident in navigating the world. So this is the summer program that we offer, and that all of the things that we said before can be of your benefit by taking part in the program. It consists of 5 components, starting with a student induction event. I'm not sure you can see this because my face is covering it. Then we move on to a 1 or 2 week hands-on work placement with STEM volunteers who will show you their workplaces and let you try out different STEM things. We also have workshops which will help you develop your skills and explore different higher education career options. We also have competitions, and we have celebration events at the end to wrap it all up and celebrate. The program is completely free, and we provide a bursary to cover your expenses during your work placements. This includes lunch and travel to and back from the placement. So let's delve into a little bit more detail. This is what the work experience placements could consist of. These usually take place over 1 or 2 weeks and will be held within commutable distance of where you live. These are held by volunteer hosts. The hosts on the Into Science program are STEM professionals or academics, such as professors or PhD students, who volunteer to show young people like yourselves their STEM workplaces and also teach you about their STEM subject and allow you to go hands-on with trying new STEM things. If you apply for the program, you will fill out our application form, which will ask you for you to provide your subjects of interest. This, if you are selected for the program, will help us match you with a host based on your interests. So we'll try and do this as closely as possible to what you're actually interested in terms of STEM. So for example, if you're curious about psychology and aging, maybe you want to study something related to dementia or Alzheimer's later in university, we may match you with a neuroscience researcher. And we cannot always guarantee a perfect match, but we do this as close as possible, fitting within your general area of interest. So whether you get a bang-on perfect match or you get something more general, we will always make sure that this is connected to your area in some way and will be super beneficial in all cases, as has been shown by all of our previous Into Science summer programs. So these are some of the things that you can see on the screen that your host may plan, and these include introducing you to their team and their work, letting you do or shadow experiments, maybe giving you some data and letting you have a go at analyzing it or teaching you how to analyze it, and they might just chat to you about education and the world of work in general. Alongside these work placements, we also hold online virtual workshops, and these are super beneficial in helping you gain specific skills such as CV writing or personal statement writing, and they will also help you learn about life at university and explore different careers. You can attend live and ask your questions to the people who deliver these workshops, which is super useful because, for example, we will be holding career panels, which may have 4 or 5 professionals studying different, working in different jobs related to, say, medicine, and you'll be able to ask them how did they get there, how did they experience studying something related to medicine, and others. You will also get the chance to speak to students from some big universities in the UK that you might be interested in applying. Alongside this, you will also be able to take part in our competitions where you can get creative and win some prizes. So we select winners from different categories every year. And last year, for example, we ran blog, photo, illustration, and video competitions. The prizes are different every year, but last year we were giving out vouchers and tripods and phone lens kits and stuff like that. So there's always something fun to be won. And if you're a winner or a runner-up, we will share your creation on our social media channels and our website and our blog. So you might as well get popular. Here on the picture, you can see the winner from one of our competitions this year. And the student drew their host in her neurodevelopment research lab preparing samples for analysis. And I always thought that this illustration looks super cool. Following this, or more surrounding these core parts of the summer program, we have inductions and celebration events. So during the inductions, you get to meet the Into Science team and other students on the program, and you will also learn about the program and what to expect out of it and how to prepare best for it. The other side of the program are the celebration events, where we'll wrap up everything. You will again get the chance to meet students and volunteers and participate in fun activities that we prepare for you. Depending on where you live, you will be offered either an in-person events of this kind or online. So either online or in-person inductions and celebration events. By taking part in the program, you automatically become part of our alumni community, which is another bonus. We continue to support you after you complete the program by sending you monthly newsletters, and we include a lot of opportunities in these, including information about jobs and internships and studying that are suitable for your level and you might be interested in applying for. We also have a LinkedIn group which can allow you to ask your questions and network with peers on social media. And we also offer workshops which are more advanced than the ones that we have on the program, and they focus on career progression and specific skills. So again, something very useful to be part of. And following all of this, these are some stories from last year. Our students said that after participating in their placement week, their view towards a STEM career grew even stronger and their aspirations became clearer. This was a quote from one of our students. And another student called Grace said that they gained so much experience about the STEM world of work, and it has really inspired them to go to university and work in biology to help other people, which is for us very happy to hear what the students thought. It's a very nice experience to hear what they thought and also how it influenced them in such a positive way. And on the pictures, you can see some examples of placement and students undertaking some lab work or taking part in engineering or neuroscience placements, which all look really fun. the purpose of this program is that we want more students to feel this way, more students to gain new skills. So here is how you can apply if you're interested in taking part in this year's program. So the program is not dependent on academic achievement. We are aimed at allowing students equal access to educational opportunities, especially to the students who may normally not have a way of getting access to these experiences otherwise. So if you follow the QR code or the link on top of the slide, you will be redirected to our application form, which should take you around 30 minutes to complete. If you want to prepare for filling it in, we recommend doing two things. The first one is getting the details of a teacher that you can provide as a reference. Now, we only use the teacher reference as a way to confirm the details that you have given us. And sometimes if the teacher shares any comments about your subjects of interest, for example, we may possibly use this to get you a better match with a host. However, this is not a mandatory thing. The main thing is confirming your details. The second thing that you may want to think of is your STEM subjects of interest. So when you're submitting your application, we'll ask you, what do you like most about STEM? Are you interested in engineering? Are you interested in psychology? So you need to give us your subjects of interest. So if you're successful in the program, we can then get you a suitable work placement. So the deadline to do all of this is the 31st of March, but we encourage you to apply as early as possible so references can come through, because you'll need to contact your teacher for them to submit a form. And also, the earlier you get it out of your way, the earlier you can relax and be done with it and just wait to hear back from us by the end of May, when we'll let you know what's the outcome of your application. The program itself will take place from Monday, the 24th of July to Friday, the 25th of August. And we don't expect you to be available for every single day of every single week that this consists of, but we do expect you to be able to take part in the majority of the program in order to be eligible. So if we haven't convinced you yet, these are some of the reasons why you should apply that we already mentioned. And as we said, the program is completely free, and we will provide you with a bursary for lunch and travel for attending your workplace placement. All in-person activities, if you're invited to these, will be held within commutable distance of where you live. If not, they will be held online and you will be able to access them. So yes, the program helps you discover STEM. It helps you gain skills, gain knowledge, gain confidence, so you can proceed to higher education or other opportunities in STEM. And we would love, love, love for you to take part in it. So please submit your application as soon as possible, and we'd be so excited to review it in the upcoming weeks. If you have any questions, please read our website. We have compiled very carefully all the information that you need there, and especially please check the frequently asked questions. If after this you still have any questions or are wondering about your specific situation, your specific circumstances, please just email us at students@intoscienceuk.org and we'll be more than happy to help you. You can also follow us on social media. If you just Google Into Science UK Twitter or Into Science UK LinkedIn or Instagram, you'll find our pages. We share some updates there from time to time. We share about possible events that you can attend or opportunities, and especially on Instagram we share a lot of fun content such as useful facts about STEM and other similar items. We are happy to take any questions that you may have. Please feel free to get in touch with us if you have any at all. And thank you for listening to this presentation. We're very much looking forward to receiving your application and to supporting you with your STEM journey. Have a good rest of your day or your evening whenever you're watching this. Bye from me now.